Validating someone's feelings is so important. And this helps even in relationships, any relationship whatsoever. A lot of the times, a lot of conflict starts between partners or friendships or whatever is when the person doesn't feel validated. They don't feel like they're being heard. They don't feel like their partner is understanding them. So by validating someone's feelings, even if it's bruising your ego, even if you didn't mean to say what you said or you didn't mean for it to come off that way, still validating what your partner is saying is absolutely huge to number one, deflect any arguments and glow ups or fights, but also it really, you're holding the space for that other person. And if you can do it for that person, then that person's going to be able to do it for you. And that's when true communication actually starts, healthy communication starts. So, validating someone's feelings, whether or not you agree with